Well, good morning. We are excited to bring you this group of fabrics. These are our transitional fabrics. We start into that transitional period where these are all $12.99 today and tomorrow. And we've got two groups, so be sure and watch the second video. There's going to be two. This is a blue-black plaid. We had this on our live fabric sale. It has stretch in both directions. It's a cotton poly. It's a beautiful, tiny black, navy black plaid. Very pretty. Pants would be perfect. Jacket. There's just so many uses for it. And again, it has stretch in both directions. Really pretty piece of fabric. This is it's a cotton silk poly blend. Mostly cotton and silk. Very pretty. Embroidered. Just beautiful. It's a beautiful piece of fabric. I don't know what else to say. It's a navy, gray, and your cream, which is a nice combination. This is 100% cotton. It's a dual layer, so it's reversible, and you can kind of peel those layers apart. We had this in the gray black. Some of you got this, but this navy and gray is just so stunning. And again, it's a perfect transition fabric. This one especially. These are sweater knits, so you can use them now and way into the spring. So they're great for this. This has got beautiful fringe. 100% cotton on this fabric. It's just wonderful. This is a crepe, called a crepe de chine. Shiny on one side, matte on the other, but it's 100% cotton. It's a beautiful piece of fabric. It's typically, these come in poly, but this 100% cotton just handles beautifully. It is beautiful. And you can use either side. You can use the matte, but for a blouse, this would be just stunning. This is a waffle. It has stretch in one direction, and it is a poly, but I'm sure it's poly to hold that firm waffling in place. Very pretty, great drape on this, and beautiful color. This kind of cobalt blue is just really pretty. So again, all $12.99 today and tomorrow. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.